In 2024, the Philadelphia Eagles' questionable depth at inside linebacker has not been revealed. Zach Bond and Nakobe Dignitary have dealt with pretty much every protective snap at those spots this season. The team was happy enough with the young backups Ben Van Sumeren, Jeremiah Trotter Jr., and Oren Burks to cut veteran Devin White before he ever played a game. On Monday, the Bleacher Report scouting report urged the Eagles to add veteran support at the position, pointing to free agent Deion Jones, a former Pro Bowler. The site's reasoning was as follows. The Eagles could use some help at linebacker, especially now that the depth at the position is thinner with Devin White's release last Tuesday. So, adding a veteran like Jones should be on the table. The 29-year-old who turns 30 next month isn't the player he used to be, but he can at least be a decent coverage backer if the team needs someone to fill in. Trotter Jr., a fifth-round draft pick this year, could be a good fit for the Eagles, but he has only been used on special teams this season. Van Sumeren has played more offensive snaps, as a fullback, than he has on defense so far in 2024, making him one of the team's most valuable special teams players. On roster cutdown day, Burks was initially let go, signed back up with the practice squad, and then made it to the 53-man roster. However, the majority of Philadelphia's injuries this season have affected the offensive side of the football. An injury to Bond or Dean could put the Eagles' defense in a difficult position, given the team's current depth chart.